How to find Facebook deleted post. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can find deleted post on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find deleted post on Facebook, you just need to open the Facebook app, not only for post but maybe your status, whatever else you have deleted. You can find them by tapping the three lines option from the top right, then tapping the gear icon that you can find over here, then just scrolling down to the activated log section as you can find it. Once you go to activated log over here, you'll be able to see all this, where you simply need to go to this option called recycle bin at the very top, and when you go to recycle bin, you'll be able to find all of the photos, videos, posts, or anything that you've deleted so far in the past. And if you want to restore them, you can just select those respectively here, tap the restore button in order to do so. In this way you can go ahead and then find your deleted posts or whatever else you have on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. Do like and subscribe for more, because it really does take me a lot of effort to create this video for you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.